नमस्ते इंडिया। आपका स्वागत है हमारे इस चैनल पे। वेलकम टू द न्यूएस्ट क्लिप ऑफ FR Clips. I'm your host FRKJR and alongside Rakshid. I'm very sorry that we are late to upload our video. So चलिए आपका इस रोमांचक सफर में शुरू करते हैं. Let's begin this. So in this video you will see Maki, Facebook and Messenger in one application. It's a good app. It's been rated 4.2 star and rated for 12 plus and 1 million plus downloads. So let's check out the app. And if you open the app, you can see I am already logged in my Facebook account into it. So you can see the notification. I can also go to Instagram also. I can also check Instagram in this app. In one app I can check my Instagram also. I can check Reddit, Wiki, Pinterest, LinkedIn, Telegram, Tumblr, etc. You can see my Instagram account has been revealed. So it is a very good application. There's a lot. You can see everything. You can see the Twitter also in one application single. It takes only 3 MB. Just for 3 MB you're getting all this. Really great application. आप इस एप्लीकेशन का इस्तेमाल कर सकते हैं आपका स्टोरेज बचाने के लिए. It's only takes 3 MB. Really guys, you should install it. So if you like this video, hit the like button, comment it and share this video. Oh yeah, puppy, subscribe the channel.